Hi, hello, dear viewers. I greet you heartfelt wherever you are. It is me, teacher Raul bin Adam, or otherwise you can spell it Robin Adam. I got the first lesson for you. It is the Somali alphabet. You know, this very important lesson. It's the very lesson. So please, and let's take it. We shall first make a definition about the Somali alphabet. The Somali alphabet. Let's define the Somali alphabet. What is the Somali alphabet? Um, the Somali alphabet consists 21 consonants, 5 short vowels, 5 long vowels, and a very different vowel, call it O. O. You see, these 32 of Somali letters, it is 32 letters, right? 21 consonants and 5 short vowels and 5 long vowels. And there is also another rare vowel, call it O. O. Um, the Somali language was first written using a Latin-based alphabet in 1972. It was implemented during the administration of former Somali President Mohammed Siad Barre. Other scripts like Arabic can be used for the writing of the Somali language. You know, this is not uh, a language that is natural on everybody, but it can only be spoken by someone born in the land of Somalia. We have no a limitation since the earth formed itself. You know, there was an African land, especially East Africa. You see, therefore, we can say someone landed the Somaliland someone landed the Somaliland is said to have spoken Somali correctly only. You see, but a given person can learn it from someone else. The Somali has been written by multiple individuals and groups. Key figures include Shire Jama Ahmed, Musa Haji, Ismail Galal. So let's uh, move forward and see the alphabet itself. You see, the Somali alphabet, we have the the capital letters of the consonants consonant. It is ba, ta, ja, ha, kha, da, ra, sa, sha, ba, a, ga, fa, kha, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. These are the consonants of the Somali alphabet. You see, I show you here in the book. You can see it. The video editor will simplify it, and we have here 21 small letters of the Somali alphabet and capital letters, right? So here, how can we differentiate the pronunciation of the small and the capital? It's very important question. We need to differentiate the, the, the sound, the pronunciation of the letters, both the small and the capital, right? So we have said the capital when we pronouncing the capital B, we have said it's ba, ba. Now if you want to make the sound of the small one, it's different than that. I closed my lips and ba and said. Now we don't simply say like that, but we make in the future we shall produce Somali voice recognition software, and we shall install it in the social networks and all. So it's very important that I can actually take part in this project to differentiate the sound of the letters, right? So in the small one, please look at my mouth. It's only pa, pa, pa. It's not pa. It's only pa, 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 pa. Ta, ta, sha, ha, ha, da, ra, sa, sha, ma, a, ga, fa, kha, sha, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. These are the sound of the small letters of the Somali language. You have here short vowels and long vowels, right? The short vowels are five short vowels. It is a, e, o, and u. And u. It's not u, it's o. I repeat again. Short vowels are five. First a, e, o, u. And the long vowels are a, e, o, u. So today we stop it there, and in the next videos we shall learn each letter one by one. Okay, so see you in the next video, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. I greet you wherever you are. I send you very heartfelt greeting. Bye.